How y'all doing today? Jody here with the 6 Platinum 12 D1 Resilient Sounds. And I will be running 6 of these guys in the Alpha MERC. And just to show you guys how they look, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Oh man, look at that. Oh, broke that. Would you look at that? Oh man. Let me get this boy out. Got him out now. Got my shirt. Got my decals. Appreciate it, Robbie. And man, this sub is a monster. I did not expect these subs to look like this. I got the boot off. I had to get the booty off so y'all can see that motor. And when I tell you that is a huge motor, oh man, it's a massive beefy sub. I mean, that's just beautiful. And that's a beefy sub. Oh, that thing beefy. And there you have it. Resilient Sound, Platinum 12 D1. Team Resilient Sounds for the win.